Okay, the next step, we're going to model both the cylinder horizontal and the cylinder vert at the same time. The reason why we're going to do this is that most of the features are just simply repeated from one to the other. Therefore, we don't need to recreate a separate part from scratch. We can use the features already in one part, save it as a different name, and just make some slight alterations. So we're going to first do the cylinder vertical, then we're going to do the cylinder horizontal. We're going to close this down, open a new part, create a sketch circle on the top plane. Dimension is 28 millimeters, and we're going to extrude that mid-plane 24 millimeters. Okay, select the top surface, hole wizard. Going to go normal 2, make it a bit easier. ISO standard, it's just a plain 6 millimeter hole, and it's through all. Position wise, it's only one of them, so I want to just drag this here onto the origin and accept. We're going to do exactly the same now. We're going to go back into the hole wizard, make sure we're through all, same hole type. This case, we're going to strain this vertically, then we get out a dimension between point to point. It's on a 16 millimeter PCD, so we can make that 8 millimeters. Accept that. And then finally, circular pattern. Well, that's the feature. We're going to circular pattern. That's the center of rotation. It's 3 of, tick. Save that as brass. Okay, so that's our cylinder vertical. So the first thing we're going to do is file, save as, cylinder vert, save. What I'm then going to do is I'm going to say file, save as copy, cylinder horizontal, and save. Now if I close this down and then open cylinder horizontal, we can just go back in, make some slight changes, so we can edit the actual diameter. In this case the main diameter is 28.5, so I can just go to edit sketch, 28.5, and tick. That will update. Let's just check the extrude. So the extrude before was 24, this case needs to be 30, so we can tick. And then the only difference is there's a little bit added to the top. So if I create a sketch on this top surface, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the outside edge and I'm going to convert and tick, and then I'm going to go to the center, draw a circle. This time the diameter is 30 millimeters. Extrude. You should pick the profile. We're going in the wrong direction. We'll just tick the switch direction, and it's 12 millimeters. Tick, and there we go. That's now our cylinder horizontal completed, and we just save.